Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to teach you how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So this is the first equation. Got 39 times 24. So first of all, we take the numbers and we put it below each other, like this. Put a straight line under it. Yes. So first we're going to do essentially is 4 times 39. After that we're going to do 20 times 39. But I will teach you a simple trick for this. So we begin with 4 times 9, which gets you 36. So you put the 6 there and the 3 to save up top. After, we're going to do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 equals 12, plus the 3 we saved here is 15. So we put the 5 here. We don't have any space to put the 1, so we just put it here. So now we're going to do 20 times 39. Oh, you can cross off the numbers we don't have to use anymore to make it easier for you so you don't get mixed up with the numbers. So now we're going to do 20 times 39. Because the 2 has a value of 20 and not just 2, we in advance put a 0 right here. So now we just do 2 times 9 equals 18. So we put the 8 right here, put the 1 right here to save it, and then we do 2 times 3 is 6 plus the 1 we saved here is 7. So you can cross them off if you like, but you don't need them anymore, so it doesn't have to. So now you put a line under this, put an add sign right here, and now we just need to add these two numbers up. I'm going to do it without a calculator to show you. So first 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 8 is 13. We put a 3 right here and the 1 right here. Now the 1, this one, plus this one equals 2, plus 7 equals 9. So then you will have this as your answer. So let's continue to the next equation. So we just do the same exact thing. This one is a bit harder because the numbers are higher. So we put the numbers below each other like this. And again, we just have to multiply them. So first of all, we're going to do 7 times 8 is 56. So you put the 6 right here, put the 5 on top to save it, and we go on to the next one. Now we get 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42, but you add the 5, so it gets 47, like this. 47. We don't have any space to put the 4, so we just put it here. My bad. Put it here. Now, just get rid of the numbers we don't have to use anymore and go on to the next. So, here we're going to do 50 times 68. Because this is 50, we put a 0 in advance. So, now we do 5 times 8 equals 40. So, we write the 0 and we keep the 4. Next, the 5 times 6 equals 30 plus 4 is 34. So we get the 4 here, and we don't have any space to save the 3, so we just place the 3 right here. Get rid of the number if you'd like, place a line, and we just have to add them all together. 6 plus 0 is 6, 7 plus 0 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and the 3. So this should be our outcome, to 68 times 57. So this was the video. I hope you understand the multiplications now. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, like, share, and subscribe, please. You can always leave a comment if you have any questions at all. And I will see you in the next video.